Meghalaya State Olympic Assiciation haka arpo tarik Naitung arja arpoi kala pynlong jingianiah bicycle haka bala iashim bynta Lyngdoh Ministry ke sports ba Banteidor Lyngdoh President ke MSOA ba John Kharshiing bar kiwei kum kedak ke jingai Mynsiem Nongleit Ialehkai Olympic jong India haka ni kesngi nalor bala pynlong ke jingianiah bicycle la plie ke jaka khyndailad bagi paidbah kilman shandur ba drink video ban kino KHUBOR la ki jingkren ban kitbok ba Mynsiem jingniah Olympic kari India haka Meghalaya Olympic ke Banteidor Tokyo Japan nado ka plie tarik mentau benai.
I'm very happy to be a part of this, and at the same time also I would like to thank especially our Honorable Prime Minister of India for supporting Team India for the Olympics. At the same time also our Union Sports Minister Anuragji and the previous Sports Minister also Mr. Lyngdoh for being supporting of our state in different aspects of sports. At the same time also I would like to thank all the youth of our state, because without youth we cannot move forward. Youth is a future of a state, and I wish all the best for the Team India to success to bring medal for the state as a whole.